Hi. So what happened was my phone was damaged and I had to buy a new phone, but when I imported my contacts from my Google account, I saw that not all of them were imported. Maybe some of my WhatsApp contacts were not synced properly with my Google account. So that's what we are going to solve today. And I think I have a solution for you guys. So this video is in two parts. The first part is how to extract all the contacts from your WhatsApp, some of them which are not on your phone or not on your SIM card. Yeah, it gets a little bit confusing with all the SIM card and device and cloud and Google account and everything. I get it. This video is in two parts. So the first part is we are going to try and extract all the contacts from all of your chats and groups from WhatsApp, and then we are going to put it in a single place, which is your Google account. So we are going to use Google Contacts. Let's see how to do it. And that will also sync with your phone if it is enabled, and I think this is the best way to do it. So today is December 2025 and this solution is working today. Let's get into it. So first what you want to do is you want to head out to Google Contacts, and you'll see all your contacts here, some of them which have been synced with Google. So if you don't have anything synced right now, it will show something like this. Yeah, so you want to create a new contact. You want to give some phone number. And you want to save it. Okay, and you want to go ahead and export all of these information. So once you download the file, you will see something like this, and you can see that these are the important things: 1 2 3 this one, and 1 2 3 this one. So basically we will use this as a template file. This is the format that we will be following. So what we want to do is we want to add all the information in this file. So now you want to go to WhatsApp web. You can just open your web.whatsapp.com here. I'm going to blur some of the information just for privacy sake. What you want to do is you want to go ahead, and this is the extension that I used. You can use this one. I have used it for 1 or 2 times before they ask for premium. So I think this is quite a nice one, and you can extract all the contacts in one go. Yeah, so I quite like this. It's free, at least for now. So you can go ahead, install their extension. It will look something like this, and you can click on it. Then you can select all groups, all countries. You have to disable this one, exclude admins, doesn't matter actually. Then you can use the file format. You can use Excel or CSV, doesn't matter again. And then you can just click export here, and it will download two files, as you can see on my desktop, this one and this one. We have successfully exported all our contacts from WhatsApp. So this is the file that I downloaded from the extension. Of course it is in a different format. Let's say you want let's say you want these names, and you can just copy all of them here and paste it in this one, first name. I'm only going to use first name. If you want to split the information into multiple columns, that's up to you. Then what you want to do is you also want to take the corresponding contacts, something like this. I hope you can understand. You can copy these and just paste them parallelly into these columns. So I'm going to paste them here under phone 1 value, and here you have all of them. I'm just gonna copy this here and paste it here. Yeah, so basically this is the file that we will be giving Google. Okay, let me just try to remove the +9 one from all of these. And how do you do that? You can just use a formula. You're going to use the formula right. We're going to select this cell, and then we are going to say length of S2 minus 2. So that will basically remove all of the first two digits, which is usually the country code. So we've removed all of the country codes. Let me just copy this here. Now you want to select paste values. Okay, so we have the correct information in the correct column and you want to delete this column. Let's just convert this to number. Maybe it doesn't really matter, but yeah, whatever. Then you can save it, and this is the new file. Let me just say it as new. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go to the Google Contacts page. We're going to delete our old one, and now we are going to import. We're going to select file, we are going to desktop and our updated file. Just say import. Now what this method is going to do is it's going to ensure that we don't have any issues because we use the correct latest format. And yeah, and just like that you have all the information here, and you can see that it has already added a +91 in the beginning. What you also want to do is, just to make a little bit things a little bit clear, you can delete this label. You want to keep all contacts and delete this label. Yeah, and that's it, you are done. Now what you want to do is go to your phone and turn on the sync for this Google account, and it will directly take all the information from your Google account. So all your Google contacts from your Google account, and that's it, you are done. Thank you so much for watching.